What up, world? We got a beautiful hat here for you from UPOONG. UPOONG is one of the go-tos in hat suppliers. This is more of a lower profile snapback. It's the 6502 unstructured hat. 5-panel hat, no center seam here. That is a nice one for either a flat super transfer, whatever vinyl you want to press on there, as well as embroidery. They do have a very kind of slim range. I've noticed that if you get the design too close to the top when you're actually wearing it, it kind of like distorts right there. So just keep in mind, you want to make sure with this model, I think a wider print instead of a really tall print. Snapback closure comes in 5 different colors. I believe they have a khaki, navy, black, maroon, white, probably a couple other ones. This has been by far our hottest selling hat as of lately. Stock's been a little bit harder to come by. You could get them on SNS if you have an account with them. Super lightweight. I believe they're a 60-40 or an 80-20, I believe they are. 60-40. So that polyester gives them a much lighter weight. They're not like a thick woolly cap. They're a very kind of lightweight cotton polyester blend. You could curve your brim if you want them curved, straight if you want them straight. Definitely a go-to for what we've been doing here. A lot of brands like them. You might like them for yourself. If you guys do have any other questions or reviews or suggestions for us, please let us know. We are here to serve the community. We are here to continue to help give tools to the brands out there, what they need to keep growing and creating.